In investing, clarity is power. Conviction is everything. Hello and welcome. I am Heber Joseph, CIO and CEO Equity at ASK Investment Managers. The ASK core portfolio is designed to sit at the core of your equity allocation, combining conviction, stability, and scalability in one sharp strategy. We invest in 15 fundamentally strong companies with 70 to 100% allocation to large caps to ensure stability, liquidity, and scalability, the essential traits for a core portfolio. At ASK, we don't clutter portfolios, we bring clarity. Why high conviction, disciplined investing works? The world's greatest investor and third richest man on the planet, Warren Buffett, once said, "Keep all your eggs in one basket, but watch that basket closely." Concentrated bets. At ASK, we don't scatter capital across dozens of ideas. We channel it into a tight circle of conviction, the best research-led opportunities from the house of ASK. This focused approach is designed to deliver superior risk-adjusted returns while anchoring investors' portfolio with clarity. Efficient capital deployment. Over-diversification dilutes impact. The ASK core portfolio allocates capital to scalable, high-quality businesses, ensuring every rupee compounds smarter and aligns with long-term wealth creation. Higher compounding potential. We invest with patience and precision. By holding proven companies through market cycles and maintaining valuation discipline, we unlock sustainable alpha even in the volatile markets. True to label active management. This is a true to label active investing. No index mimicking. Every position is selected bottom up basis, building transparency and trust. Margin of safety. Conviction with discipline potentially reduces valuation risks relative to the market. That's why our process is designed to buy great companies at attractive valuations, reducing downside risk and aim to safeguard capital when markets are turbulent. Illusion of active investing in MF space. Most equity mutual funds, whether large cap, mid cap or flexi cap, hold more than 50 stocks in their portfolios. This is less of focus. When you spread capital across so many names, you dilute conviction and you end up closer to the index, offering little differentiation. High conviction strategies help to avoid structural underperformers. Over the last decade, if you see, at least 20 stocks in the Nifty 50 index, India's flagship index, have underperformed. These are not obscure names. They are part of the benchmark. This highlights a critical truth. Broad coverage doesn't guarantee outperformance. In fact, it often leads to exposure to structural underperformers, businesses that drag down long-term returns. That's why ASK core portfolio is built on clarity and not on clutter. We focus on select set of high conviction ideas, businesses we understand deeply, believe strongly, and hold with a discipline. Focused strategy indices have outperformed Nifty over the long term. Why? Because they don't try to own everything. They own what matters. Focused selection drives performance. By integrating high conviction index aligned strategies, investors can amplify performance, capturing the upside of proven businesses while avoiding structural laggards. So what do you get with the ASK core portfolio? A tightly focused portfolio with up to 15 stocks. Style agnostic, sector agnostic stock picking. A bottom-up stock selection process driven by fundamentals and governed by focused investment philosophy. Investment into a focused portfolio which allows your capital to compound over the long term. It's ideal for investors seeking stability with alpha potential. The ASK core portfolio is designed to sit at the heart of your equity allocation. It complements your portfolio comprising of mutual funds, passive strategies, and broader investments while providing differentiated access to our high conviction ideas. This is your strategic core, a disciplined, research-led foundation for long-term wealth creation. Every position is backed by ASK's research rigor, proprietary stock picking, framework and grading framework, and ongoing oversight. You get a focused portfolio of high quality stocks, large cap stability and truly active management, scalable long-term compounding potential, and a strategy rooted in ASK's focus investment philosophy. If you are looking to build long-term wealth with clarity, discipline, and confidence, the ASK core portfolio is built for you. Thank you and happy investing.